Hi, it's the team from Analysis Cloud again. Today we are taking a nice stroll through Phoenix Park in Dublin.
Today we're going to talk about Microsoft's Power BI, what it is and what it's for. We'll look at how it helps turn raw data into clear, shareable insights.
Yes, that's right. But before jumping in, please do give this video a thumbs up, share it, and please subscribe.
It helps organizations visualize data.
It connects to hundreds of data sources, enabling users to create a single source of truth for their critical business performance metrics daily.
The ecosystem includes a desktop application for authoring, a cloud service for sharing, and mobile apps for viewing reports on the move easily.
It offers powerful data preparation capabilities, sophisticated modeling, and a wide array of interactive visualizations.
At its core, it is about democratization of data. It empowers every employee to make informed decisions based on real-time, factual evidence.
Let's dive into data sourcing. Power BI can pull from Excel, SQL databases, cloud services.
When you connect to data, you use Power Query. This is where the M language lives, a functional language for data transformation.
Power Query allows you to filter rows, remove columns, and merge tables. It records every step so you can repeat the process. The M language is great for complex ETL tasks. It handles data types, pivot operations, and custom functions to clean up data sets.
Then we have data flows. These are reusable transformation logics that reside in the cloud, allowing multiple reports to share the same data.
Data flows store data in Azure Data Lake Storage. This promotes consistency because you only define the cleaning logic once for the organization.
This leads us to the semantic model. This was formerly known as a dataset and serves as the logic layer for reports.
The semantic model contains the relationships between tables, the hierarchies, and the specific calculations that define how your business measures its success.
This is where DAX comes in. Data Analysis Expressions is a formula language used to create custom measures and calculated columns efficiently.
DAX is powerful but has a learning curve. It allows for time intelligence, like comparing this year's sales against the same period.
Once the model is ready, we build reports. Reports are collections of visuals like bar charts, line graphs, and interactive slicers too.
Those visuals are not just pretty pictures, they are interactive. Clicking a bar in one chart filters the rest of the report automatically.
You can use custom visuals from the marketplace. There are hundreds of specialized charts created by the community for unique industry needs.
Now, let's talk about Microsoft Fabric. It is an all-in-one analytics solution that integrates Power BI with data engineering and science.
Fabric uses a unified storage system called OneLake. This eliminates data silos and allows Power BI to access data without moving it.
It brings together Data Factory, Synapse, and Power BI into a single experience, making the entire data journey much more streamlined now.
It is amazing how much it has evolved. But I want to hear more about that specific business use case you mentioned earlier.
Right, the Outlook agent. I programmed it to monitor an inbox specifically for customer inquiries and new product orders coming in daily.
The agent uses natural language processing to read the email body. It identifies the customer's name, the product, quantity, and the price.
It also looks for the customer's location and a specific shipping address provided. All this unstructured text becomes structured data very quickly.
And then it writes those details into a CSV file. Is that file stored on a local drive or in the cloud? It is saved in a SharePoint folder. This makes it easy for Power BI access the file through a web connection. Every night, the scheduled refresh kicks in. Power BI checks the CSV for new rows and appends them to the semantic model.
The report then updates the map visual. We use the location data to place dots on a map for every single order.
You mentioned the dots are color-coded. What does the color represent in this specific context? Is it based on the price? Exactly. We set a conditional formatting rule. Large orders show up as bright green dots, while smaller orders might appear as blue.
So a manager opens the dashboard and immediately sees a cluster of green dots in a specific city. That is instant insight.
It is much better than reading hundreds of emails. The map shows where the demand is, helping with logistics and targeted marketing. This is a perfect example of a low-code solution. Used an agent, a simple CSV, and Power BI for massive impact.
And because it is automated, no one has to copy and paste data. The system handles the heavy lifting while we focus.
Power BI also allows for natural language queries. Could the manager just type, "Show me total orders in London" to see results?
That makes data accessible to people who are not technical. They do not need to know how to write DAX or M.
We should also mention the importance of data security. We can mask certain columns, so only authorised users see the customer names.
Row-level security is another layer. If we have regional sales leads, they only see the dots on the map for their territory.
This keeps our data compliant and safe. Power BI really is the complete package for any business looking to grow through data.
I love how Microsoft Fabric ties it all together now. It makes the transition from raw data to insights smoother than ever.
It is a great time to be in data. The tools are more powerful and the integration between apps is truly seamless.
Let's think about the next steps for this project. Could we add a forecast to predict next month's orders based on history?
Definitely. Power BI has built-in forecasting visuals. It uses exponential smoothing to project future trends based on the daily CSV data records.
We could also send automated alerts. If an order exceeds a certain value, the system could ping the sales manager on Teams.
That is the power of the Power Platform. Connecting Power BI with Power Automate creates a truly proactive business environment for us.
Imagine the map showing real-time updates. As soon as the email hits the inbox, the dot appears on the executive's main dashboard.
While the CSV refreshes daily, we could even move to a real-time streaming data set for that extra level of responsiveness soon.
The possibilities are endless. From a simple CSV file to an enterprise-grade AI solution, Power BI handles it all with such grace.
Please consider us for your website and app development needs. We are Irish after all.